Good morning, I am Raisa Filmi Surya Hadi Kusuma and welcome to World News. We will bring you to the real news from all around the world. The news of today, Tuesday, November 17, 2020 is about Pfizer's current vaccine that might be able to prevent the transmission of COVID-19 by up to 90%. The spread of the coronavirus continues globally day by day. Various countries are progressively creating a corona vaccine as an effort to aim the recovery and stop coronavirus. Recently, an American pharmaceutical company, Pfizer, in collaboration with a German pharmaceutical company, BioNTech, announced that their corona vaccine has proven to be 90% effective in preventing the spread of COVID-19. Their corona vaccine is using a technology platform that relies on something called messenger RNA. Like other vaccine, mRNA vaccine work by training the immune system to recognize a threat like a virus and begin produce antibodies to protect itself. The clinical trial of the vaccine named BNT162b2 that has begun on 27th of July. As of November 8th, more than 43,000 volunteers had been injected with the Pfizer corona vaccine, and 90% of them had received the second dose of vaccine. By this far, there is no significant side effect have been reported. With this development, Pfizer confirmed that it will be applied for a permit at the end of November, so this vaccine can be used on a limited basis. Besides, a lot of data is needed to prove that the Pfizer corona vaccine is indeed stable. If the third phase of clinical trials continues to run smoothly, Pfizer say it could produce around 50 million doses of vaccine by the end of 2020 and around 1.3 billion doses of vaccines by 2021. In the meantime, according to the data that released by World Health Organization as of November 3rd, a total of 47 candidates of the corona vaccine are currently being clinically tested and directly tested on humans. 10 of the candidates have entered third phase of clinical trials. However, there is no vaccine that has passed the final phase of clinical trials before it can be widely circulated until today. While waiting for the corona vaccine to be tested and produced, the best step we can take is to follow the existing health protocols. And that was the news for this morning. Please keep following the next update in World News. I'm Raisa Filmi Srihadi Kusuma. Thank you for watching. Good morning and see you.